swear when I get on here, I don't know how to act. How are you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am serving you a look for the gods, hair and makeup. So without further ado, let's get into this, shall we?
6 million ways to die, choose one.
Feel on me, pull up if you're feeling lonely. Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
So we have our wig from NEATandSLEEK. This is a shoulder length full lace wig, and it's literally braided, and it has, you know, the cute little, I don't know what them things are called at the bottom of it. Obviously it comes with like adjustable straps and stuff like that, so that's already put in there for you. And guys, imagine, yeah, I saw this and I really wanted it. I asked someone and they're like, oh, it'll take forever, and then this company just came through, and I was so nervous because braided wigs, they can look lumpy, but this did not, as you're about to see. So we're going to prep the hair first as usual, then we're going to put the band, like secure it. I put it on the second one because I've got like a medium cap. It fits perfectly, but just to let you know, I've got a bun underneath, so, and it still fit really well. So girl, come through. I am living for this wig. Okay guys, so the braided wig, yeah, is made with virgin human hair lace wig, and then obviously they use different hair to actually braid it, so it's actually quite short to start off with. And the wig, it's very natural, and the base provides like the illusion that there's hair coming out of the scalp because the knots are already pre-bleached. So I didn't really have to do anything but just cut off the lace and stick it down, and even sticking it down was so simple. It's actually more simple than the normal lace wigs that stick on my forehead, so that is a plus. I was very scared and nervous here when I had to pull out, you know, the front, because like the baby hairs is quite sparse, so I didn't really like clock that until I pulled it out and I realized that it's manageable. But for now, so easy in terms of sticking it down. Literally, I could have even used the spray and that would have helped, but guys, beautiful wig. I had to join you when it came to the baby hairs because I struggle a lot with baby hairs. I end up with bare swoops around my forehead side here, just looking bare mad. Yeah, like I look like fishing nets, like I'm ready to catch fish. I don't know why I think fish. But yeah, easy as pie to do this, you know, like it wasn't that bad. So for people who are not good with baby hairs, you can do it. You know, still looking like I'm ready to catch some fish, but it looks so good. Guys, let me do my job. Get this wig, get this wig. It's from NEATandSLEEK, get this wig. But from a personal opinion, personal point of view, get this bloody wig, mate. Oh my god, and look at the parting triangles. I didn't even clock that until I'm watching the video properly now. Yes, honey, yes. Come through. I love it, guys. You can also check my description bar if you are interested in this wig. And a big top tip if you do buy this is that the clips at the bottom, they sometimes fall off. So in order to combat this, use a hair band, rubber band, and then put the clip back on, and that will secure it perfectly. Simples. And then you just, you know what, yeah, even though the lace is already pre-bleached, I'm just gonna pre-tint it a little bit more. It didn't really fully tint, but it tinted enough that, you know, nobody will bother me when I go up on road, but I'm not going anywhere. So isolation look, come through. Why are you gagging so? I give it to you every bowl. Now let's get into the makeup. Guys, I normally take like my Instagram videos and put it as my YouTube videos because I'm a lazy ass biatch. I am so lazy. I'm so sorry guys, like, but this time I extended it. So the concealer is Fenty Beauty that I am using. The stuff that I use on my eyebrows from Eyeko is the brow gel, and then I am still using the Fenty Beauty 430 just to do all that mad stuff. Then Norvina eyeshadow palette, I'll put in the description bar. I literally do my most favorite ever like look, which is just a cut crease with some gold glitter on top of it, yeah, and then put on the eyelashes, boom. So guys, top tip, if you're doing cut crease, put the product on your lid and then look up and you'll kind of imprint at the top, and then you can trace around that. Yes honey. Then you put your favorite shadow. Guys, think of a light to dark, you know, type of thing. You go into the red color in the corner. Then with this guy, just use any, like, I don't know, glittery eyeliner or stuff like that. That will work. Yo. What a mad tutorial. You know what guys, one of my favorite looks, and it matches the hair perfectly. So I'm gonna leave you to finish watching the rest of it so you can actually enjoy it and not have me out here, yeah, just chatting it up. But I'll leave everything in the description bar below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have to go and I have to leave you to soak it all up. By the way, this foundation is very good. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Might be pricey, but get it. It's real good. You only need a bit. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Check out Neat and Sleek, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, yes, honey. Bye, guys.
Ways to die, choose one.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I f him like I miss him, he just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nikki M, I'm in a sticky Benz. That mean it's candy apple red, I'm Barbie, this is Ken. That is a Fendi fact, I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made, Donatella sent me that. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my. If you eating it, do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire, it's pricey. Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my. If you eating it, do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire, it's pricey. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
6 million ways to die, choose one.